Hello, and welcome to my tutorial on the basic skills of Adobe's InDesign. My name is Ryon, and I will be guiding you through this two-part series today. In our first video, we will be reviewing InDesign's workspace, as well as the many different types of tool, type, text, and style features available. In the second video, we will put our new skills to use by producing a basic brochure-style design that can be utilized in several different settings. Before we begin, it'll be important to ensure that you have gained access to the InDesign application. If you have not yet downloaded the Adobe suite, please do so now. You can click on the following link that will take you to the Adobe website. If you are a student, please note that you have access to a discounted rate through your school, college, or university. Please contact your IT or tech department to find out before purchasing directly through the Adobe website. If you have already downloaded the necessary InDesign application, then let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open the InDesign application. When it first boots up, you will see a screen such as the one here. Just so that we can review some of the most basic features of InDesign, let's create a new basic document. On the left-hand side of your screen, click Create New. We will call this Review 1. For the sake of this tutorial, we will keep all of the specific measures of the document at their default settings. When you have named your page, click Create. In front of you is what is called the InDesign workspace. As you can see, there are many different panels surrounding the worksheet, and all of these have a unique purpose to the application. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be outlining a few essential tools that will help you build the brochure-style design that we will cover in our second video coming up next. The first thing I want to highlight is the colorful grid lines on the worksheet. All of the lines act as a margin guide of some sort, but they do not print on the final version of your project. They merely act as a guide when placing your features. At the top of your screen, you have what is called the control panel. This is where you find tools that help you quickly edit selected objects, such as pictures and text boxes. If you select a picture, you can move and resize the object. You can adjust the placement coordinates as well as the dimensions. If you select a text box, you can adjust the size, font, and style. Another important tool in the control panel is the color fill tool. This allows you to fill a text box or frame tool with color. On the left-hand side of your screen is your toolbar. This bar contains tools for creating and modifying page objects and adding and formatting text and images. The most important of the tools is the selection tool. This is the first on the menu bar, and we use this anytime we are switching between panels, moving images, text boxes, or if we're applying color to one of these. It is very important to remember to use this tool, or the alignment of your sheet's features will move around often. If this happens, the simple fix is applying an undo command, which can be done from the above edit menu or by the keyboard shortcut Apple or Command Z. The next tool we are going to highlight is the type tool. This tool allows you to enter, edit, and format text on your document. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner, you will see a small black triangle. This triangle signifies that there are several different options for this specific tool. Click and hold the tool button to see your selection choices. The next tool we'll cover is the rectangle frame tool. This tool is used to easily create square or rectangle boxes on your document that you can later insert images, text, or color to. To shift the shape from a rectangle to a square, press and hold the Shift key while dragging from the corner and expand and size your box. Like the text tool, you can click and hold the rectangular frame tool menu to create different shaped frame boxes as well. If you want a circle shape, select the ellipses option and press and hold the Shift key. All of the skills we have covered are very basic, but necessary to complete projects within Adobe InDesign. In our next video, we will use these skills to create a brochure that I was able to complete for my own internship site this semester. Although not a finished product quite yet, it's a great example of how to mock up a project and use these skills that we have reviewed in the InDesign application. Click through to the next video to see what you can do with all of the features we just learned.